Okay, let's show like what squishies I got and where I got them from. First, I got both of these from Boating Blocks. I am currently in a different spot than all my YouTube videos. And if you don't know me, go check out my videos. Some of them are very cringy. But I will show you the ones I got. First, I'm going to unbox these two. I got this one. It's really good. Let's unbox it and then I'll show you. We're using a pen to unbox it because, yeah. I thought I might as well just video it because I have a long time. But, yeah, I'm just gonna take it off. I got it and it says shilling. Yeah, one sec. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It says shilling on the needho. It says shilling. And if it doesn't say shilling, that means it's fake. It says needho on the popsicle. And it says shilling on the bottom. It has to say shilling to be real. Okay, so this is the first one. It's actually really soft. I didn't know. The popsicle. No! Okay, it's fine. It's fine. But I like this a lot. The only reason I went in here because it has barely better lighting. We still have the other one to do, but this one I recommend so much. If you get it, I'd just be really cool for it because my friend has like 8 of these, or like 4, and all 3 of them had the thing pop off, so I'd be very careful. Next, we have this big one to unbox, so I'm going to unbox it real quick, and then I'll go back on. Since I have a lot more time left, I'm also going to show this one while I'm unboxing. Oh my gosh. I got my nails done. I should have made a video about my nails, but they're really cute. Okay, we have one more tapey part. Ah! Oh my gosh. It's good. It's really good. And if your mom says you... Well, one sec. It's really good. And it's softer. It's huge, too. That's the end of my squishy haul. If you want to see all my squishies, because I've got more, I've already showed my collection, so go back on my YouTube channel. That's it for today. My hair actually turned out really good. The distance of my hair. Bye. Peace out.